nice addition.
And pizza in there too, yeah. In good health, a new report finds too many Americans are not breathing easy.
The American Lung Association says 125 million people live in areas of the country with levels of air pollution that put their health at risk. Dr. Frank McGeorge is here with a closer look at what that exactly means for all of us.
Well, Karen and Devin, 4 in 10 Americans are breathing unhealthy air. Now, of course, poor air quality increases the risk of immediate breathing problems like asthma, but it also raises our risk for serious diseases down the road, including lung cancer and the #1 killer, heart disease.
This is our 18th annual report, so we've seen a lot of improvements. But we're also seeing some trends that are scary.
The report looks at 2 types of pollution. The first is ozone, otherwise known as smog. It's created by gases, including tailpipe and smokestack emissions. The other type of pollution is called particle pollution. That's the microscopic particles that circulate in our air. It can cause severe asthma attacks, particularly in children, and that's not all.
Particle pollution especially is risky for cardiovascular harm, like heart disease, stroke. It also is greatly risky for people with diabetes, and it causes lung cancer.
California has the worst air, with Bakersfield and Los Angeles topping the list. Experts blame a combination of emissions, geography, weather, and wildfires. The cities with the cleanest air are nearly all on the East Coast, including Burlington, Vermont, and Naples, Florida. The only one out west? Honolulu, Hawaii. No cities in Michigan made the cleanest list for ozone or year-round particle pollution. The county-by-county breakdown finds Wayne and Oakland counties both scored a D for ozone and a C and B for particle pollution. Macomb County earned an F and a B, while Washtenaw earned a C and an A. The American Lung Association credits the Clean Air Act for much of the progress that's been made in cleaning up America's air and for saving countless lives. Now, the organization does warn budget cuts and legislative changes that were proposed by the Trump administration would have a negative impact on that progress.
We're just talking, sometimes you don't necessarily notice difficulty breathing in bad stuff.
Right.
You can't always tell what's not necessarily good for you. Yeah,
that's exactly it. And that's why, you have to pay attention, especially in the summer, for those ozone action days, for example, if you have breathing problems, and paying attention to, filling up gas tanks and that kind of thing, because it does make the air quality much worse.
Yeah.